So, hello everyone. Just received one of the orders I did a week ago regarding Tailbag. This one is for my Trident Triumph 660 neck bag, and I wanted something, to carry over some stuff, either for a weekend, since again the bike is from factory. It's not that practical, I'd say, for carrying over luggage with you. So I'll give this tailbag a try. It's quite, again, cost effective. So if you compare it with other tailbags in the market. So let's go to specifics now. Now this is from Rhinowalk, if I'm reading that correctly. Now it's a 30-liter tailbag, and I came across this one, I believe, in a Instagram, I believe, post with another type of bike. It was I believe it was a BMW R19 or a Z900, not sure about it, but the rider had this bag on it, and it captured my attention. So let's open it. So this is how it arrived from Germany specifically. This is where I ordered it, Amazon Germany. And let's see what we got here. So nothing else on the bag. We don't need that. Well, so it's a 30-liter Rhinowalk, 30-liter motorcycle bag. The material is polyester, and of course it's made in China. Well, like everything else. So on this end, I'm seeing some straps. Let's see. I guess this would be useful for capturing it, connecting it into the bike, I believe. So let's see what we got here. Well, let's open it. Well, the material seems quite good quality, and let's open it, see what this bag is all about. Now, in total, with delivery, this bag cost me around, so it's quite cost, around 60 or 65 euros. So quite again, a low amount of money if you compare it with other brands out there now in the market. I was looking at a SOW Modec, which had a new system for quite a low profile for Trident, but still it's the cost is around 300 or 400 euros just for that, those two side bags that I'm gonna use, let's say once a year. So yeah, again, it's up to everyone needs. So I thought, let's try this one. So it has a product description, I would say a brochure, and yeah. So what it does is that if you look at the side itself, there are different sizes of the bag, the same structure, the same design, etc., but in different size. So you got a 10-liter, 20-liter, and 30-liter. Now I got the biggest one, the 30-liter, and what it shows here, which could be interesting going forward, you can combine them. So there are straps that you can use for combining all of them and creating, quite a significant volume of luggage on your tailbag. Yeah, it seems interesting, so we'll see. Well, it's quite a big bag, I must say. So you have a pocket which is transparent, so you can keep, I don't know, some documents or a map or something else, or a bottle of water, I guess, depending on how you close this part of the bag. Let's see on the bag. All right, yeah, this is a picture I've seen, which is, so this side, the way I've seen in this side of the bag is available, is present on the top of the bag. So it seems that after you close the bag, this is how it goes on top, and below this surface will be on the back of on your tail. Well, it seems good quality. I mean, yeah, even the strap seems to be, quite well built. We'll see how it should. So if this is the upper level of the bag, you got a big pocket here. The pocket seems to be it seems to be waterproof. So there is a line, plastic line over the zip. When you close it, so you can keep, it seems to be waterproof. Not sure whether it's visible. It seems to be waterproof. So when you open it and you close it, it's waterproof on this end. So one pocket, a big pocket, you can keep on top of the bike. On the side, nothing to see here. Below, I think these are the straps for carrying the bag on your shoulders. We'll see it in a moment. And these are the side. Yeah, I'll read them if there are any, of course, any instruction on how to use it. Now internally, interesting one. Internally, it said that it is a yellow color. I wasn't sure. So internally, this is how it looks like. Again, it's quite huge inside. And there is a zip in the. What it does? Oh, right. So this probably serves as waterproof material, because there's a zip here which again you can remove it totally and possibly remove it from the bag. Okay, that's interesting. I mean, they've thought about this for this low cost of a bike. Great to know. And let's see what we got inside. Now it's the whole internal of the bag. It's, again, as you can see here, nothing else. Side of it, huge bag. So I'm thinking I can use it for traveling. So let's see, there's a bag inside of it, and this bag seems to have the straps for the shoulder, but hopefully we'll have something about the straps you need to connect it and onto the bike. Nevertheless, I have already ordered a lacquered kit that's from Kriega, which is for Triumph Street Triple, I believe. And I saw a review on YouTube that said that it matches also, so it's fully compatible with Trident. So the goal is that to have those straps always on the bike, and then use this bag to connect it. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. So let's see what we got inside. So we got one strap. This would be one in which you connect to the bike. 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. This is exactly what I was looking for. So the Kriega kit, I'm looking at it. It has exactly 4 straps, which you actually screw onto the bike in different screws that the bike has under the saddle. Then this anchor look-alike, these are used to actually connect to the Kriega strap, whereas the ladder strap connector captures onto the bike. That's great. This is what I was looking for. I wasn't sure about it, whether they were part of the bike or not, or the bag or not. So good to look at, to see it. And then you have one strap, one big one, and a second one. which you can use to carry over the bag when off the bike, like a shoulder bag. Now, not sure. Yeah, these are plastic, simple. I'm not sure about the quality of this strap, so I wouldn't put much weight into the bag. Not sure how much weight this could handle when you carry over. I mean, in any time there is a handle here which you can, carry the bag from here. But still, this could be helpful. And then we got 4 more straps. Good to have on. So this strap also could function. Yeah. So as yeah, right. So if you don't buy, now I understood. So in my case, I've already ordered the Kriega kit. So, but if you didn't have that option, and if you have a bike that has, areas into the frame where you can actually put around these straps, for example, like this one, then you could use this strap here as an anchoring point from which you'd capture your bag on top of it. So that's my understanding. In the Trident case, there are no such exposed area where I can, on the frame where I can capture this. At least I haven't thought about it, but still it's good to know that such strap exists. Well, yeah, that's it actually. This is what this bag comes with. It seems great. I mean, I'll seriously thinking about using this as a travel bag also. I mean, I like the quality, seems good. I like it has many pockets, and it's waterproof, of course, and it's 30 liters, so it's a huge. You can for one person you can carry over suddenly whatever you need for a couple of days, trip, just to live that adventure, of bike riding. Okay, well, that's it. This was the Rhinowalk motorcycle bag 30-liter review, unboxing, I would say. I'm gonna put it on the bike the moment that I received the Kriega kit. And as you can see here, it comes also on the yellow on the top for more visibility, even though it's gonna be on top of the bag, so not sure how that helps in visibility from sky. But yeah, probably I'm missing something here. So yeah, that's it. Thanks everyone, and ride safe. Bye.